Hello everyone, welcome back to Mars Explorer Hub. Today, on SOL-9, the red planet feels strangely alive. The silence of the Martian plains hides a pulse, a whisper that seems to come from beneath the dust itself. As the rover wakes under the pale golden sun, something in the air feels different. It's as if Mars wants to speak, and we are finally learning to listen. Billions of years ago, Mars may have been another Earth. Oceans shimmered under a bright blue sky, and rivers carved deep channels through the valleys. But what if life did not completely vanish when the planet dried up? What if deep below the frozen crust, something ancient still survives, silent, waiting, and watching? On SOL-9, the rover sensors detect unusual magnetic fluctuations, faint, rhythmic pulses that don't match any known geological activity. Scientists at Mission Control are stunned. Could it be an echo from ancient machinery, buried relics, or perhaps signals from intelligent life forms once thriving here? The rover's cameras sweep across the horizon, and there, among the scattered rocks, something catches the lens. A dark shadow, perfectly symmetrical. Zooming in reveals strange markings on the stone, almost like carvings, as if someone or something once tried to write a message across time itself. Could this be a coincidence, or evidence that Mars once hosted visitors, not just microbial, but intelligent beings far older than humanity? The terrain ahead is rough, but the rover continues forward, its wheels pressing into the sand with steady determination. Each turn of the wheel brings us closer to the unknown. The Martian wind howls softly, and the dust dances around the rover like golden smoke. Somewhere in that whispering wind, it feels as if voices are trying to reach out. Night falls on Mars, but the mission continues. The temperature drops to minus 70 degrees Celsius. Stars blaze in the black sky, and the two small moons, Phobos and Deimos, cast haunting shadows across the desert floor. The infrared camera switches on, and what it records is beyond imagination. For a brief moment, faint lights flicker in the distance. 3 or 4 points of light hovering just above the surface. They appear, drift, and vanish silently. The transmission signal back to Earth spikes with static. Mission Control watches in stunned silence. Were they reflections, electrical discharges, or something watching us back? On SOL-9, Mars does not feel empty anymore. It feels inhabited, not by cities or creatures we can see, but by presence, memory, and energy. Every rock here could be a relic, every echo a signal, every silence a secret. What if the so-called aliens we've been searching for were always here, hidden beneath this red soil, preserving their story in dust and stone? The rover transmits one last panoramic image before shutting down for the night. In the photo, deep shadows stretch like fingers across the landscape, and in one of those shadows, there's something that doesn't belong. A smooth, curved outline, unlike any natural formation. The scientists zoom in. The frame shakes. And then, black screen. SOL-9, complete. This is Mars Explorer Hub, reminding you that every silence on Mars might be a message, and every mystery might be a doorway. The truth about alien life might not be millions of light years away. It might be waiting, right here, beneath our wheels, on Mars.